Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by authenticating. This gives GitHub Container Registry permission to accept your image. Use GHauth login or export a PAT with right packages. Once done, log into Docker with GHCR credentials. Next, build the image locally and tag it explicitly to GHCR. eo/owner/image tag so GitHub can store it under your namespace. You do this to ensure ownership and predictable versioning. Make sure to replace owner and repo with your exact GitHub names, because the registry maps images to those identifiers. You now push and control visibility. First, log in using Docker login with your PAT piped in. This prevents prompts and preserves automation. Once authenticated, push the tagged image with Docker push GHCR. eo/owner/image tag and watch for layer uploads. Large layers can take time, so be patient. After the push completes, set package visibility, private by default, via repository settings or GHAPI to make it public. You do this to control access and integrate with CI, which requires the right visibility for downstream pulls. You finish by consuming and automating usage. Pull the image with Docker pull GHCR. eo/owner/image tag to confirm integrity and compare checksums if needed. Then, automate builds and pushes using GitHub Actions. Use Docker/login action for auth and Docker/build push action to build and push within workflows. This reduces drift and manual steps. If something fails, troubleshoot in this order. Confirm PAT scopes and expiry, check repository/package permissions, and review GitHub Container Registry rate limits and error messages to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.